Hi everyone, I'm Cole, a developer advocate at Mage. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Mage Pro workspaces, our enterprise feature for creating isolated environments where teams can build, test, and deploy their data pipelines independently. Once you've configured your Mage Pro environment to utilize workspaces, you can start creating and managing them. In this guide, I'll show you how to make the most of your Mage Pro workspaces. So first, what is a Mage Pro workspace? When you use Mage Pro, a workspace is simply your own separate area where you can work on your data projects. It's like having your own desk where you keep all your work organized. So let's go ahead and set up a workspace. First, we'll navigate to this Create New Workspace button. Go ahead and click it, and we'll see that we get a pop-up to create our workspace. We'll go ahead and give it a name. And remember that we need to use lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. No spaces are allowed in the workspace name. If we wanted to go ahead and create this using the default settings, we could just hit this create button and it would create our workspace for us. If we need to provide any custom resources within the Kubernetes pod or create a lifecycle, termination policies, things like that, we'll need to custom configure this. So you can see if you wanted to create any customization within your Kubernetes pod, you would drop down the Kubernetes drop down here, toggle on the configure container, and provide the code you need to configure your Kubernetes pod. We'll go ahead and toggle that off because we're not going to do that for this specific workspace. If we wanted to create any lifecycle policies, we would drop down this menu here and see that we get several different lifecycle policies that we can create. First is our termination policy, where it's already defaulted to false. If we wanted to create a termination policy, we could go ahead and toggle this on to true and then set some kind of max idle time, let's say 1 hour, so we will want to set 3600 seconds. When setting up your workspace, you can use two types of startup scripts. Pre-start scripts run before your workspace starts, helping you set up things like environment variables. Post-start scripts run after your workspace is up and running, letting you start any additional services or run setup tasks you might need. Since we've already configured this to auto-terminate after 1 hour of inactivity, we can go ahead and create our workspace. It may take up to 5 to 10 minutes for this workspace to get up and running. Once it's running, you can click this open button and it will take you into your own workspace. We have a sample here already set and going, so we'll go ahead and click that. And as you can see, you'll be navigated to your Mage Pro development environment where you can create your data pipeline. And that's it from me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're able to get your workspaces up and running.